Good afternoon, everybody. How are you guys doing this afternoon? These two are doing pretty well. They kept fighting last night again. I don't know why. What's gotten into them? They were all of a sudden, they was like, "Hey, I hate you." And he's like, "Hey, I hate you too." And they were like, "Ding, ding, ding, ding." And this guy was like, "Nope." He flew away. That's what happened. Video from yesterday's finally done downloading. Thank freaking God. Took like forever to get it to go. To upload today. I don't even know why. It was just like, we're not uploading today. Really, YouTube? And YouTube is not wanting to load on my freaking Xbox. That's great. That is great. This is where we turn this off. We just shut it down, restart it. And we go upstairs and we watch the Christmas Doctor Who while I go get some lunch. Hope you guys had a good day. And are having a fantastic day. And remember, green laser pointer? Do you remember that? And I got this and I was like, woo! Beauty's asleep. She don't want to play with it today. Alright, time to go eat. Baby girl. Baby girl. You need to wake up. You can't sleep all day. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. She's such a baby. What the heck? Hey. I finished watching the Doctor Who Christmas special and ate some food and I just sat back and relaxed. Now the baby girl here won't wake. Stay awake. Nope, stay awake. No, stay awake. No. No, 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 no. No. No, no, no. No. Oh, you trying to get my hand? You trying to get my hand? You can't get my hand. Ow, ow, ow. 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 You're such a meanie. You're such a meanie. Be like, you woke me up. I'm not mean, you're mean. You woke me up. I saw him. Alright, let's go find Stormy and wake him up. Stormy? Where are you? No, not anyone here. Ben's still not awake and it's 2 o'clock. Here's Ben's mess. As you can see. Beauty, what's up? You following me? Huh? You following me now? Be like, you woke me up, I'm gonna follow you now. I'm gonna follow you. Oh. Anyway, up the tail goes and then down. And up the tail goes. She's like, leave my tail alone. But there's a bald spot. Stretch! Gotta get her morning stretches in. Alright, Lazy, where are we going? Okay. Put you back in your little nook. Little nook there. She's like, I can't sleep now, I'm awake. Crazy girl. She was a baby.
Alright, let's see. You're dirty, Zoe. Maybe you redhead colors? Let's see. Come on. Really? Did it come to you? Look at clean. Brand new. How about you? No, guys, things are slow.
Lazer Vs Cat. Who wins?
Up the girls with a podcast, and I went to the bedroom, was hanging out with the girls, fell asleep, sat in the office, kind of cleaning. I literally fell asleep cleaning. Fell asleep with the cleaner in my hand. Hopefully you guys had a great New Year's Eve, or hopefully great New Year's. I'm going to do it right now. Though I know you guys are going to hate me for this. It's the stupidest thing. It makes me want to punch people in the face. I haven't made a video since last year.
So I'm feeling good. I just completed 3 miles, a little over 3 miles, and I am heading back to the house to pick up a few jackets because she leaves for Colorado in the next couple of days. So she's gonna grab a few jackets of mine, something for Tom, and then Tara and I are back to real life. Yay! 2016.
I think she's done now. You done?
Very excited.
Hmm?
I'm very excited.
Go get it.
2016.
Go get it, beauty.
Was great.
Go get it. It's over there. Go get it.
But I am
Go get it.
more than thrilled about.
She's done. She's done playing now. Because you're making fun of a friend. Ben,
What?
is the screaming because you're making fun of the kid?
Why are you freaking vlogging?
Because I am.
Yes, he's vlogging.
Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you see this? It's just this. All this is all going bye-bye. I'm shaving it all off. It's all gonna be gone, guys. Every little bit of it. There ain't gonna be nothing left of it whatsoever. It's all gone. Shing! So here's before. And now the after. Face is as smooth as a baby's butt. Look at that. Except right here and right here. Because I can't shave that really. I have to like somehow get it waxed because it's like down here on my neck. I don't know how hair got down there. It's very weird. Okay, darkness. I'm gonna stop V. I don't know what I walked into. So do you. She said, phew, it stinks.
Who did?
Grandma.
Oh my god.
Simba. Sim's hiding. You okay, Sim? It's okay, you big baby. He's over near the TV.
Bitch. Didn't like the other one. God damn it. I don't like it.
You better come in. Do not try to sit home. That went high.
Yeah, because I moved the pipe. One more and I'm done.
Alright.
Make a big boom.
Make a big boom.
I like this. Come in, close it.
Alright.
Got it.
That's it. Hey everyone, I will be going to bed. Hope you guys have a good day, night, and evening, whenever you are watching this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night, everyone.